In this video,
we'll learn how to fix GTA 5 infinite loading screen in Windows 11. In GTA 5, if you're facing the infinite loading screen, the solution is extremely simple. All you need to do is open up the launcher that you use to play GTA 5. In my case, it is Epic Games. So I'll open up Epic Games by typing it in the Windows search panel. After your Epic Games open, all you need to do is head into the library section. Now open up the copy of GTA 5 that you're facing the error with. Click on the three dots beside it. Head into the Manage tab. From here, all you need to do is click on the Verify Files option. By clicking on the Verify File option, any damaged file will be restored which might be causing the issue. After that, you can also try to launch GTA 5 in compatibility mode. In order to do that, click on the three dots again, head to Manage. Then click on Open File Location on this button right here. From here, head down until you find the GTA 5 EXE. Right click on it, head to Properties. From here, head to the Compatibility tab. Now from here, select Run this program in compatibility mode. Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimization. Now hit Apply and OK. Now you can also check the firewall status for GTA 5 if it is enabled or not. In order to check it out, all you need to do is head into the search panel of your Windows. From here type firewall and the firewall and network protection settings will appear. Head into it. From here you need to head into allow an app through firewall. After coming in here, you need to scroll down until you find the G section. From here, you need to make sure that your Grand Theft Auto 5 is in your public domain and it is allowed. If not, you can just allow it from here. Then click on OK. Now you need to also make sure that your Windows 11 is updated to the latest version. In order to check it out, head into the search panel yet again. From here type Settings, then open the Settings of Windows. From here you can head into the Windows Update tab. In here, make sure that you are up to date and it is checked. So this is how you can easily fix your GTA 5 infinite loading screen error in Windows 11 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.